We all have those moments when we are scrolling through social media and we see someone posting pictures of their fancy avocado toast, making us feel like we are missing out on some sort of health trend. But let me tell you, there's a whole world of underappreciated nutrient-packed foods that most people fail to overlook. And incorporating them into your diet can truly transform your health and well-being. Alright, let's start with the basics. Broccoli and okra, right? Those little green guys that most people just kind of push around their plate. Well, turns out they're absolute nutrient bombs, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your immunity, strengthen your bones, and even help prevent chronic diseases. Speaking of leafy greens, have you ever heard of watercress? This stuff is like the champion of the veggie world. It's loaded with vitamin A, C, and K, plus calcium, magnesium, and all sorts of antioxidants. Toss some in your salad or smoothie, and you're basically giving your body a superhero diet. And let's not forget about beets and artichokes. Beets are loaded with nitrates that can lower blood pressure and even boost brain power, while artichokes are low-calorie, high-fiber and can actually help you feel fuller to prevent overeating. Let's go global for a second. Have you heard of tempeh? It's an Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans, and it's a stellar source of protein, probiotics, and nutrients. Now, fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, I know what you're thinking, but they are probiotic powerhouses for your gut health. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that's been boosting immunity in cultures for centuries. Kimchi is a fermented Korean dish that contains probiotics, antioxidants, and healthy bacteria, which promotes gut health and digestion. How about sardines and pumpkin seeds? Small, tiny fish, sardines are packed with omega-3s, proteins, calcium, and vitamin D, which is a total win for your heart, bones, and reduces inflammation. Pumpkin seeds have magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. We can't forget seaweed. It's a dietary staple in Asian cuisines loaded with iodine and vitamins A, C, E, and K, or spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that is a concentrated source of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is beneficial for your skin, joints, and heart health. Speaking of another global gem, Miso is a Japanese fermented soybean paste that's a probiotic goldmine with tons of B vitamins. And, of course, spices like turmeric are a staple in Indian cuisine, packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart diseases, and even support joint health. Let's also talk about Kohlrabi for a second. It's a little alien vegetable, but don't let its appearance fool you. This is very high in vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a total MVP for your digestion, immunity, and heart health. And finally, blackstrap molasses. This sticky dark liquid might not look like much, but it's a hidden gem when it comes to natural energy and bone health. It's loaded with iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. Now that you know about all these amazing, underrated superfoods from around the globe, how do you actually incorporate them into your life? Here are a few examples. You could roast up some broccoli or okra with some olive oil and your favorite spices. Or toss some watercress or beet greens into your salads or smoothies. Get adventurous and try adding fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut to your meals. Swap out your regular molasses for the black strap variety when you are baking or making oatmeal. Canned or smoked sardines are an easy way to get those omega-3s and protein. Experiment with seaweed in your cooking. You can also add it to your soups, salads, or even snack on roasted seaweed sheets. Sprinkle turmeric into your meals by adding it into curries, rice, dishes, or even smoothies for an anti-inflammatory boost. Add beets or pumpkin seeds to your salads for color and crunch. Use tempeh or baked seasoned artichokes in vegetarian meals for protein, or drink a kefir smoothie or add a spoonful of spirulina powder to get those probiotics. Just make a few small changes here and there and you'll be well on your way to feeling like a total rock star, while tapping into centuries-old dietary wisdom from around the world. Some of these foods might seem a little out there if you're not familiar with other culinary traditions, but trust me, they're worth giving a shot. Once you start incorporating these nutrient-packed gems from global cuisines into your diet, you might just be surprised at how much better you feel both physically and mentally. So don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Your body and your taste buds will definitely thank you for it in the long run. Thank you for joining me for today's episode. Let me know if you have any other questions. Please subscribe to this channel as it's a great way to support at zero cost to you. I regularly post additional health and wellness based tools on other social media platforms. If you're not already following me, you can find me as Dr. Chalak on every other platform. Now, if you want to know, can intermittent fasting help or harm you? Then I encourage you to check out this video right here. Click here and I will join you to improve your health and well-being to live better and longer.